Hey guys and gals. Doing a little maintenance on my motorcycle. It's a 2008 Suzuki B-King, and I got around to doing the spark plugs now, and I was using a technique that a neighbor of mine, Dan Babe, taught me like 15 years ago. We were changing the spark plugs on my brother's car. He had one of those Honda Civics. It was like a late 90s Honda Civic with a tiny little engine. Probably the same size that's in this bike, actually. And we had these spark plug sockets that the little rubber sleeve was missing out of them, so we couldn't yank the spark plugs out of the hole. And he said, "Oh, I have an idea," because we didn't have a magnet and we didn't have a pliers that was small enough to get down in the hole to pull the plug out. So he ran across the street, ran home, and he got a piece of fuel line, and he fed the fuel line down in the spark plug hole and stuffed it over the plug. And there are still a couple of threads left to turn, so he turned the hose around and popped the spark plug out. So I just wanted to share that trick with you, especially in an area like this where I have to use this thin wall spark plug socket that can reach down in the hole. Sometimes spark plug sockets are too thick and they can't get down in there. So this is a 5/8 12-point socket for the Hayabusa engine. And I actually have to put the socket down in the hole and then put this short extension down in the hole, unscrew it all the way, pop the extension out, and then pop the socket out because it's so tight in here. So I don't have a magnet nearby to reach down there and get the plug out, so it just clicked, oh yeah, I can use that technique that I was shown. So you just stuff the hose down in the hole, you feel it kind of thump down over the spark plug, and you can turn it around if there's still a thread caught in there. There's enough grip between the rubber and the porcelain. And then you just pop it out, and there you go. You can also do this to get the plugs in too if you need to get them started, and then yank the hose off and throw the socket over it. So that's my little bit of tech advice for the day. I just wanted to share that as long as I was doing it and it wasn't inconvenient. So, till next time.